We'll guide you through how to take a screenshot on a laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to be able to do. So a screenshot is going to be a picture of the screen. You may want the entire screen, just part of it, and there are different ways you can go about it. We'll guide you through how you can then go and edit it if needed, or just go and find where the saved image is and you can go and share it or do what you want to with it. So there are different ways you can go about this. There are shortcuts and also just the app we can open up. So we're going to guide you through all of this. So let's go and dive into it. Make sure this full guide you have a good understanding of how this can be done and the different steps and ways. So to get started, we can go and use the shortcut. So this is going to probably be the best shortcut you can use, which most people can use. And that's going to be Shift, Windows key, and S, like so. You'll see the screen goes and gets darker like so. At the top, you want to make sure you've got the camera selected and you then have the crosshair as your cursor. So that's the first way you can go and get into this mode. I want to cover the different ways before using it though. Alternatively, you should go and have a print screen key. You may not, but if you do, you can go and tap on print. It says SC, it may say SCR sometimes as well, but go and tap on it. And this will go and open up that same mode as well. So they're similar to the shortcut I initially showed you. Alternatively, to get to this mode as well, if you don't like using a shortcut, is you can press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in an app called Snipping Tool. So we go and type it in, you can then see it's there. What you want to do is go and click on it and it'll then open up and you can press new and it'll then go and open that mode. Once again, make sure you've got that camera selected at the top. So there are different ways you can get into this mode. And then what you can do is you can choose what you want to go and capture. If you want to do the full screen, you can just click, move your cursor to one of the top or bottom corners, and then you can click, hold and drag the entire thing. If it's just part of it, place the cursor where you want to go and start, click, hold, and then drag. And you can go and select what you want to go and take the screenshot of. Then you can go and release, and it'll then go and take it. So when you go and do this, it is going to automatically save to the screenshots folder. I'll show it in a moment. So you could then just go and close it. But if you want to go and edit it, what you can then do is you can come to the top, grab a pen, highlighter. You've also got the eraser and you can go and add in shapes. You can crop it. You can go and scan it and then undo and redo. So let's say I wanted to go and draw something on it. I could click here, choose a color and the size. Then you can click, hold and drag, and you can go and do what you want to with it. Then make sure you go and save it by pressing the save button in the top right. Then you can choose you want to go and save it. So I could go and save it onto my desktop, or I could put it in my documents. Then we can go and press save like so, and it's then saved. As I said though, if you just go and take a screenshot, it will go and be saved to the screenshots folder. You don't need to go and do that. So if you want to go and find the screenshots folder, what you need to do is you can go and find File Explorer at the bottom of your computer. Click to open it up. And then you can come to the left and you can go and find pictures. And in pictures, you'll have screenshots. And then they're going to automatically be placed in here, which can be more convenient. You don't always have to go and press save as. They are just going to go and be saved there. So that's it. And then of course you can go and copy this and you can go and open it up in some sort of editor or just go and share it with people. And of course you can go into different apps and do it. Like you could go and open up Edge here and you could screenshot in here if you wanted to as well. So you now have a good idea of how this can go and work. And yeah, that's it. So if you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We publish videos like this every single day. So I'm sure we'll go and help you out again. If you have any suggestions, feel free to go and put them down below. I look forward to reading them. So if you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Check out the GuideRealm channel for more guides. We publish guides like this every single day, covering a wide range of different topics. So I'm sure you're going to find them useful. Have a good day. Goodbye for now.